So hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. And in this video I'm going to tell you about that how you can make the WhatsApp automate sender, yes, by 2 lines of Python. So let's begin. Before begin, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and like this video. And for this you want the PyCharm, or you can use Visual Studio Code. You can see, and main thing is that you want the Python, and all are the latest version only, not old version, so it will not happen. So you want the PyCharm, Python and Visual Studio Code. I will use the PyCharm. You want to use Visual Studio Code, you can use, or you want to use PyCharm, you can use. I will suggest that you can use in PyCharm, and you can see the name of PyCharm, that PyCharm Community Edition 2020.3.5, and the Python is Python 3.9 64-bit, and the Visual Studio Code. You can download by this clicking on the Chrome, and on top you will write PyCharm community edition, download, enter, and the third will link come, and the link will https www.jetbrains.com PyCharm download. So by this, from this link you want to download, from not other link you want to download, then you will click on that, and you can click on download free open source. From free open source you can download. And if you want to download Visual Studio Code, you will click and write Visual Studio Code download, enter, and you will search. If you don't get, write only Visual Studio Code and click on enter, and the second line will came, and you can see the link https code.visualstudio.com. From this link you want to install. I will put the both link and the Python one link also in description, so you can download it easily. So for this, you want to install PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, and I will open the PyCharm, and I have already made an folder for this. And if you are new on this, it will ask for create a new folder, project or file. So you will click on create new project, and then it will open this automatically. And then click, or if you had opened already in a file, so click on new project and type the name you want. I will type the YouTube and I will create. Click on create. Again I will do this. And it is asking the name in this window you want to, then I will open it in new window, and it will automatically open. So let's wait. So by this thing you can make a new project. I have made already a project, and it has loaded. you can see. And now you will type it in this. First you will click on project and you sort this and click import pivot kit. Import pivot kit and you will do and click on enter and click on run button. You can see here, and first go in terminal and write pip install pivot kit and you will click on enter. And I have already installed it, so it is telling this me. So if you install, it will take some few moment and it will installing it, then it will happen. So from in second line you want to write pivot kit dot send message. First one, if you want to send a message to someone, or if you want to send message in a group in which you want, so you can choose that. So I want to send a message to someone, so I will click on first one, send message, and first I will write, and first I will click on comma and write the number +91 . After adding number, you want to write +91, then you want to write the number, and after putting the number, put comma and again do that and write a message. What message you want to send? I want to send happy birthday to you, and then I will click on comma and do space, click on a space, and then I will write the time on which time I want to send. Now is happening 10:01. So I will write 10 and then I will again click on comma and then I will click on space and then I will write 2 and above WhatsApp automation has ready, and then I will click on run. I see send message everyone to you. I think I had some wrong thing. I will write 3 and then yes, and I will write the current time, so that's why it will happen. And then you want to write on which time you want to send, and it is writing in 26 seconds WhatsApp web will open, and after 20 seconds message will deliver. And see, I am not doing anything, and it will happen automatically. See, my both hands are on up, you can see, and I am not doing anything, and it will automatically send the message. Loading, and you can see it has automatically sent the message. So like this you can make your own automation, WhatsApp automation sender. So if you like the video, please like my video and share this video, and subscribe my channel and share this video. Till then, bye. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.